Hello KonnecttzIT family and Shopify users. Today in this video I'll be explaining you how you can actually create personalized coupons for your new customers in your Shopify store and notify your customers using WhatsApp. So basically I will be using Shopify store, getting a details of a new customers from the Shopify store and generate a unique coupon code for them using KonnecttzIT inbuilt coupon code generator, and then using that, like, I will be sending an WhatsApp message and also create the discount coupon inside Shopify store. And then also, like, it's an optional one, so I'll be using Twilio to send an SMS, or you can use any other app to send an SMS for your users. So let's do this. So basically using a tool called KonnecttzIT, so which is a workflow automation tool. So first we have to start authorizing our app inside KonnecttzIT. So for this you have to search for Shopify app. So click on the app and click on add account. This will going to ask you for access token and also the subdomain. So basically you have to get this created inside your Shopify store. I'll be showing you how to do that. So first log into your Shopify store and click on settings, and then once you click on settings, so click on apps and sales channel, click on develop apps. After that you have to click on create app and it will ask you for app name. So you just need to type the app name and then click on create app. So it will be showing you to add the scopes of the admin API. Basically what are the permission or what you have to give it for. So you can select all these details, or basically whichever you will be looking for. Maybe you can just select those details over here and click on save. So in this case we are just creating discount, so we just need these two options, that is read and write discounts and also read and write customers. So I'll be getting these two option, and then rest all things leave it like that and click on save. So this will going to create an app inside your Shopify store and you have to install that app. So just need to click on install app. So once you install the app, so you will be getting the token. So just copy this token and go to KonnecttzIT and paste your API token, and the subdomain is the subdomain ID. So basically with here whatever is there before myshopify.com, that is your subdomain ID. So just copy that and paste it over here and click on yes and continue. So this will going to authorize your Shopify store inside KonnecttzIT. So similarly for using Twilio app, or if you are using WhatsApp cloud API, you need to authorize those apps as well. So I'll be adding a link in the description where I had shown you how to authorize WhatsApp inside KonnecttzIT and also how to create an WhatsApp cloud API, basically the complete setup. Basically you have to search for the app and click on the app and click on add account. It will ask you for token, phone number ID and business account ID. All these details you will be getting through your WhatsApp cloud business API account. So I'll be adding a link in the description where it will give you all the details of the app. For example, you can see the phone number ID, the access token, and also WhatsApp business account ID. So you just need to copy all these details and paste inside KonnecttzIT to authorize the app inside KonnecttzIT. So this is how you have to authorize this app before creating any workflow. So now we have authorized all those apps which we are be looking. So what we are waiting for? So let's get started building a workflow. So just click on create connect. Once you click on create connect button, so you will be redirected to our canvas where all the magic happens, where you just need to drag and drop and connect between the nodes. I will start by naming my workflow. So I'll be send So now let us click on Shopify app, search for Shopify app and drag and drop the app, and based on the instructions provided, let us select the trigger, copy the webbook URL, and based on the instructions provided here, let us paste our webbook URL. So need to go to Shopify and click on settings. So once you click on settings, on the notifications tab at the bottom end, you will be having a button called create webbook. Just click on that. Here you just select the option as new customer. So you can just say customer creation. So whenever there is a customer created, you can select that option and paste your webbook URL, select the stable version of API and just click on save. That's it. So once you did that, so automatically a webbook will be created. You can see that. So now go to KonnectZIT and click on capture webbook response. So this will enable KonnectZIT to capture the response from the webbook we placed. So I will just do the send test notification. Once we send the test notification, automatically we will receive the data inside KonnectZIT. So you can see that with the email address of the user, and also we have all the other details like his name, order details and every other details. So basically it will be added over here, even the phone number. So basically right now I don't have any phone number, so it is been empty over here. So you will be needed the phone number for his details. So right now we just required email address, first name and the last name. So let's use these options for further automation. And as per our use case, so now we need to create a personalized coupon code. I'll be using KonnectZIT coupon code generator, which is an inbuilt app inside KonnectZIT, and I'll be generating a coupon code. So just need to generate coupon code. So for this it will be asking for the timeline, that is the validity of the coupon. I can give this, and also so basically it will ask me for prefix. We can give our name as prefix, any username. So because this will going to create a customized coupon code based on the name, so that it will be unique for each users. And now we have selected the length. So basically you can select any length however it is necessary and click on generate. This will going to generate a coupon code, and we inside this plus icon, so we have the coupon code and the expiry date. So we can select this and click on OK, so that even if you can give for 1 day coupon code, so you can just give it as 1 day, so it will going to expire on 1 day itself. So basically, so we got all these details. So now we got a coupon code, so now we can even send a WhatsApp message. So before that, I will make this coupon valid inside my Shopify store. So basically right now we are created inside KonnectZIT, but we have to create this coupon code inside our Shopify store. Then only that coupon will be valid for users to use that coupon. Otherwise this coupon is invalid. So the same coupon which if you are using in our store, it will be invalid at this moment because it is only created inside KonnectZIT. Now we have to make this valid by creating a coupon discount code inside our Shopify store. So let's do that. So basically I will go to Shopify store again, and you have to go to discount. So basically you have to create a discount first. So I'll be creating like this. You can give any options like buy X product and get Y product free, or like you can just give the shipping as free, or you can give some amount of or the order, or even for the particular product itself. So like let me select for the order now. So just select that. So discount code, so I'll just enter this as KonnectZIT demo just for my reference purpose, and I'll be giving as percentage. So just add 20% over here. I don't require any minimum requirement, so it will be for all users. Limit the number of times, so I'll just add it as 2 times. I'll limit to 1 user per customer, 1 use per customer, so you can do that as well. And then just You can even set the end date, so basically, and click on save discount. This you have to do it inside your Shopify store. So once you did that, so now let us go to KonnecttzIT and drag and drop Shopify again. So now what we are doing here is we are just making the discount coupon, which coupon code which we generated inside KonnecttzIT, valid by adding the same inside Shopify store. So now let's go to Shopify and select our account and select the action as create a discount code. So basically we are creating a discount code. So you just need to select the price rule. So by clicking on here, and you can select the one which we created and just give the coupon code to the discount code. Automatically when you click on test and review, so this will going to create a discount code inside your Shopify store. So now let's go to Shopify store. Basically this discount code will be created and it will be valid. So let's go to Shopify store and click on discounts. So under discounts you can see there is two codes. So we just need to go here and you can see that. So this code which is being created and it will be used, also all the details will be there over here. So basically now whatever the coupon code which we generated inside KonnecttzIT, now it is being valid under our Shopify store. So now after this process, so we need to notify the users via WhatsApp. So let's do that. WhatsApp Cloud API. So just search for the app and select your account and select the template message. So basically I have created a template message to create WhatsApp Cloud API template message. I had actually given a complete setup video where you can go ahead and see how to create a template message that look like something like this. So I just created a template message which, so you can see that, which has no header, but it asks for the name and welcome to KonnecttzIT family. As a thank you, we're just offering 20% discount for the next order with the coupon code we are just sending to the customers with our branding as well. Like this the WhatsApp message will go. So now let's go ahead and select the template. So that template is new customer welcome, and select the language. So basically I'm just sending it in English language. So this asks for to address and also the body fields. So in that one body field is the coupon code, so where you can just give it from the coupon code itself. And then the first body field is the name, so you can just give the name from the name, and also you can give from the phone number. So basically if you have a phone number over here, so you can see I had seen somewhere, yeah, so you just need to connect the phone number from here at this moment. So I don't have any details over entered because that's a test response. I will just enter manually, but you can give it from your Shopify store so that it will send directly to the user. So this is how I just added the phone number and hit on test and review. So basically this coupon code will be generated and then WhatsApp message will be sent to my WhatsApp. So you can see that we just received, it says a Bob, that it addressed my name. So basically the customer name personalized, and also it says welcome to KonnecttzIT and like your store basically, and it says like enjoy the like 20% discount off on your next order, use this coupon code. This coupon code is generated with KonnecttzIT coupon generator, and also we have validated inside our Shopify store. So now this has been valid. When our customer receives it, it's automatically you can start using that coupon code. And it has also have a store link as well. So just click on that link, it will go to my Shopify store. So you can see that. So this is how you can generate a personalized coupon code for your users and send it via WhatsApp and even via SMS as well. I'll show you how to send an SMS. So now let's do that. So now let me go ahead and add one more inbuilt app. This is KonnecttzIT inbuilt app called text formatter, where I will be using this to merge the options, so where I'll be connecting the coupon code and also the name and the last name I'll be using, and just create a message so that looks something like this. Maybe I can copy this same thing like this and then go to KonnecttzIT and just enter instead of name. So just here I'll use the first name and also the last name, and I'll just use here the coupon code. So this will be automatically sending the coupon code to this is validate the text formatter now. So now we need to use the SMS app. Like right now I'm just using Twilio, and similarly we have to use any other SMS app. So basically, so that will going to send an SMS to the users. So I'll be using Twilio app, and let me go ahead and do that, and also select a send SMS. So basically the from number is, I will go to the Twilio app and I do have the from number. Just copy that number and just paste it over here, and the true number is, I'll just enter my number manually, so you can give it via your Shopify store as well, and then just click on message. So just click on test and review. So this will going to send an basically an SMS inside my store. Like let me check for the SMS. Still I didn't receive anything, so let me wait. Yes, you can see that. Hope you all can see it says ABOB, like ABOB with the coupon code, and also the last name and the first name with the coupon code as well. So this is how basically you can send the SMS and also WhatsApp with the coupon code personalized inside KonnecttzIT. So basically from your Shopify store. So now let's go ahead and publish our Konnectz and also do the test run. So basically I will go ahead now and publish my Konnectz. So now let me go ahead and do the test run inside my Shopify store. Basically I will receive two things. One is when I do this, I will receive an WhatsApp message and also an SMS. So let me go ahead and do the test notification, send it again. So automatically I will receive, yes, you can hear that sound. So it says basically I am just sending the same test name, but you can just notify that this coupon code are different from each individual. So you can see that because each time it generate an unique code separately, and it will also validate inside our Shopify store. So let's go to Shopify store, and you can see that the new coupon code which has been added inside our Shopify store. And also I do received an like SMS. So basically, so I'll just show you this two SMS which I received on my mobile. So hope you guys like these integrations, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do let me know on the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching this video, guys.